Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Flying Field. We're going to take up the Eluna. May not even need to use the motor to get her up in the air. So let's give her a good chunk. Yeah. That is the beauty of this plane here. Very wind friendly. Got the motor turned off. Enjoying the wind right now. A little bit of wind surfing is how I like to call it. Run a 1300 Admiral 3-cylinder. Let's get her up high. Oh man, that's glorious right there. Just gliding along. Different kind of flying than your scaled or standard planes. Very relaxing. I have my timer set for 6.5 minutes, but with using throttle management, I could probably get 15 minutes out of this because I'm only running the motor part of the time. And she's very efficient anyways. Take her up. Now she's running the Spectrum AR420, I believe it is, 4-channel antennaless receiver, the little thin one. Looks like a thumb. It has a push button bind plug. So she has no type of gyro or stabilization or at all. But then again, this plane here, she's just got such a wonderful natural airfoil that doesn't really need any kind of stabilization. She's just, I do recommend this as a beginner plane for sure. The only problem is that you can't get her anymore. She's been discontinued. So if you can find one at maybe still at a retail shop that still has one, or at a trade show or a swap meet or something, then you need to pick this up. Now when Verizon had her out, she was like only I think $109, and that was with, I about hit my head, that was with that receiver. That receiver by itself is I want to say $29. So I'm just riding the wind, trying not to hit myself with my own plane here. Yeah. Oh boy, that wind. When you don't have, the wind is so strong that your motor isn't even strong enough really to penetrate it, it might be a good idea to call it a day. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, wind is just, she's like a kite. I also like the fact that these type of antennaless receivers, these smart receivers, they have a more secure range. You'd be very hard pressed to lose a signal. Now, if you go too far, obviously, but you know, basically it's like this. If you can't make out what the plane's doing because it's so small, then you're way too far. You're too far out of range anyways. see if I can land this thing given the way the wind is. See that? She bounced up. Gave her some throttle and off she went again. Yeah, she's just kiting around. Velcro strip that I'd use to put lights on at night. Just that easy. Yep, the wind is definitely messing with her today. Got a problem, folks. She does that. Scare the birds there. Oh, that's pretty though. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have to say that's good enough because it's just too windy to, especially for some of the smaller, some of the other planes I've got. I don't want to put them at risk. So, but I say it's gonna be enough, but you know I have to. You know I got to. Give her a nice little chunk here. If I was brave enough, I'd catch her. So much fun to fly this bird. Now, if you want, you're saying, well, yeah, well, if you say it's discontinued, I can't get it anymore. You can still get the e-flite or the Hobby Zone Consendo, Consendo Advanced, and basically they fly exactly the same. They're almost identical. The only problem is the Consendo is about 50 bucks more. But it's bind and fly. You can also get it comes with Safe Select, and so that means you can have that bailout. Basically, if you let go of the stick, she'll self-right itself with Safe Select, but that's up to you. You can either turn that on or off, but you get the A3X all the time. But this right here has nothing, just signal. It just controls the plane. There's no kind of gyro or anything. See the flag there and the little flags? Yeah, it's just too windy. We're gonna call it a day, folks, because you gotta remember too, the other thing, yes, you need to challenge yourself and learn, but you also need to enjoy yourself. And if you're not enjoying yourself, you need to go in. And I've already damaged my landing gear on the Commander there because I figured it was heavy enough to go through the window. Well, the landing gear is now bent because of me just so desperate to fly. Well, that's stupid though. Don't do that. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.